What is in my downstairs freezer? Welcome to my crazy over-shopping, overloading freezer. As you can see, I love to buy food and freeze it. I got a lot of grass-fed items here, some bone-in pork chops, lots of good stuff here. But I don't dare touch anything in here. Some grass-fed burger right there. Lots of bacon right there. I don't dare touch anything because it could be a cavalcade. My stash of riced cauliflower from Trader Joe's. There's some more just in case. There's some more organic bone-in pork chops. Oh yeah, baby. I got it all. And there's one more riced cauliflower just in case. A good supply of veggies in case, you know, we're stuck in the house for like a month. And then over here, this is the downstairs fridge. So basically the only thing on this is Greg's milk. He drinks the 60-calorie almond milk. That's me, Almond Breeze. And then I've got a plethora, silk almond milk, some more silk coconut almond milk. Then I've got 3 containers of the spinach. I've got some unsweetened cashew milk there, 25 calories a cup. How good is that? And then tomorrow I am going to make, in my enamel cast iron pan, I'm going to make lamb shanks. Those are always fun. Greg likes those. And then what about, I've got all my spinach over there. Behind that, that's my crack slaw. See it? We're going to have it later. And I've been buying the organic broccoli slaw instead of a head of cabbage. Here is an organic cucumber. Some organic green beans from Trader Joe's. Some organic Olivia's celery hearts. Over here, I've got a plethora of organic carrots and another Olivia celery hearts. What do I have up here? Well, some organic Valley, no carrageenan, heavy whipping cream. Oh yeah. I've got some grass-fed Nature's Promise ground beef that I'm going to make a meatloaf with some riced cauliflower right there. It's going to go in there. Saute some onions. I've got leftover Brussels sprouts, some more cauliflower. I've got lots of bone broth here. I've got Nature's Promise organic filet, Nature's Promise Delmonico. Oh yeah. And then I've got a Nature's Promise Angus beef I will make into a Mississippi. I've got a plethora of cream cheese and Neuchâtel back there. What else? What else? I've got some more cheese hidden over there that I use on my fathead pizza. Some more heavy whipping cream, some more heavy whipping cream, as you can see. Some more cheese that I would shred and put on my fathead pizza. Pete and Jerry jumbo organic eggs that I can't get enough of. This is always a mystery drawer, has nothing to do with me. And that is it for the downstairs fridge and freezer mini tour. Thanks for watching. This has been Sarah, Pearls of Wisdom and Food with Keto Under 20. Bye-bye for now.